Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to insert a table of content in a Word document. I'll do it stepwise so that you can follow easier. In fact, it's very easy to insert a table of content. The first step that you need to take is that you have to define your titles and your subtitles and headings. Okay, why do you have to do that? Because the computer does not know which sentence to put in the table of content as your title. So how do you do that? It's very simple. You just go to the styles section, which is here, and you will see heading 1, heading 2, and so on. So you right click on heading 1, okay, you right click, and you click on modify. You will see that there are several formatting options available to you. You can choose which font type you want to use. I normally prefer Times New Roman. And you choose your font size. Normally for a title, it's required to be a bit larger. So I'll choose font size 14. And normally it's bold. If you want, you can underline or put it in italic. And for the color, I'll let it be black. And if you want to do further formatting, you can just come here, click on the format option, and you will have several options given to you. Like, for example, you can add border, okay, you can add frames, numberings, text effects, and so on. So I prefer not to use that because this one is a simple format. So you just click on OK, and your heading, your title is ready. So if you want to put this as your title, you just select the whole sentence and you just click on heading, right? So this is for your title. And now for your subtitle or your heading number 2, you just right click here and you click on modify and you just arrange the formattings. You click on Times New Roman, and normally a subtitle, it should be much smaller than the title. 12 is appropriate, it should be bold, and the color, I prefer to put it on black. So if you want to do further formatting, you can just come here and you proceed, but I'll just keep it there. So you just press on OK, and then you select the subtitle, the sentence you want to put as subtitle, which is 1.1 for me. So I select it and I click on heading 2. So now this is my subtitle. And now this one, it's my heading number 3, 1.1.1. Okay. So I've labeled it 1.1.1 so that you better understand which one is my title, which one is my subtitle, and which one is my third heading. So for this one, what you do, you come to heading 3, you right click, okay, you click on modify, and you do the same again. I mean, for the font type, you just choose Times New Roman. For the font size, it should be 12 normally. And for the font color, I prefer black. And if you want to do further formatting, you can just come here and you click and you proceed. But I'll just leave it there. You press OK. Now you choose, you select this sentence, then you click on heading 3. So there you are. You have defined all your titles, your subtitles, and your headings. So now what you need to do, now is the time that we input the table of content. So first what we have to do, we have to insert a page break. So you just click on this, you go on page layout, you click on page break, okay, and then you come up again over there, you click on at the start, then you go to references, okay, you click on table of contents. You will see that there are several styles made available to you. Like you have automatic table 1, table 2, manual table, and so on. So me, I prefer to use automatic table number 2 because according to me, it's well illustrated and so on. It depends on your point of view. So you just click on it, and there you are. Here is your table of content. Now, what is important for you to know, okay? Whenever you are making any changes below in your text, whenever you are changing anything, what you do, okay? For example, if you have inputted a second subtitle or a third heading, okay? What you need to do, you need to go up to your table of content. You click on your table of content, and you will see update table. So you just click on update table, okay? You update entire table, you click OK, and it will update the table. So if you have added pages and so on, it will automatically update your table. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video if you liked it. And if you have a related topic you want me to discuss on, so just leave a comment below. Peace.